Welcome to our guide on launching your website with Hostinger in 2025. Today, we're diving into the numerous benefits Hostinger offers for your web hosting needs. First, let's explore how to choose the right hosting plan: shared, VPS, or cloud options. Each type has its unique advantages depending on your needs. Now, let's walk through the process of purchasing your domain name through Hostinger step by step. Next, we'll set up your Hostinger account. Follow this simple walkthrough of the registration process. After creating your account, let's connect your domain to your hosting plan at Hostinger. Next, we'll install WordPress easily through Hostinger's one-click installation feature. Let's configure your WordPress settings for optimal performance and security. Choose and customize a WordPress theme that best suits your website's personality. Now, let's talk about essential plugins that enhance your site's functionality and SEO. Finally, we'll cover best practices for confidently launching your website.